Wow, great control. Land it so you can see how it goes thump. Well, bring it over.
Okay. Okay.
To your landing pad.
Okay, coming this way.
You hope.
Oops.
All right, there's a landing pad there. See how close you can get it. Oh, good. Look at you. Oh, you had it close.
Okay, here we go.
Perfect.
Just stop. Thanks. That was pretty close.